All right, guys, welcome to Credit Game. The sole purpose of this video is one reason. I'm gonna break the world record for the most subscribers in one day on a brand new channel. Now, there's a couple things before I tell you what I'm gonna do, okay? Because there's gonna be 3 winners. I'm actually giving away 3 free courses today for the subscribers, but I'm going to tell you what you have to do, okay? And I'm going to put the link below. I have a channel called The Credit Game, which has now been converted to Credit Game. Take out the word the, it's just Credit Game, and you'll see the link below, okay? I only want people who are interested in my content that are going to watch the videos, the people that have been following me for years. I grew the fastest credit channel in the world on the other channel called The Credit Game. This one, I'm going to break the world record in one day, and I need your help, okay? And for that, I'm going to give you guys a free course, okay? So here's the deal. There's 4 things that you need to do in order to win, okay? And I'm randomly selecting, just so you know, there will be 3 winners. But again, the purpose of this is that I have 6 figures, 153,000 people. I want the people that want to follow me to the new channel, because the new channel is going to have creation of credit. Basically what I do, I'm going to create like content that's unbelievable, and I do it every single day for you guys. Monday through Friday, every day I put a video on credit to help you learn credit game, okay? That was created for myself. So very simple. Here's what you got to do, okay? When you watch this video, the first person, now by the way, just so you have to understand, there is currently, as of this video right now, today, there is currently only 20 subscribers. They were basically testing through my team, right, to make sure that everything was working. There is 20 current subscribers on the channel, okay? The channel is basically, it's got a red circle around it. You'll see it's me like going, you know, like this, like, and I got a red circle around. That's how you know you're on the right channel. Plus, I'm going to put the link below. What I need you to do to subscribe is make sure you hit the subscribe button. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is I need you to give me a thumbs up. In order to win, you got to do 4 things. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Number 3, share it with one person. That's it. One person you love that could use help with credit as well. And the 4th thing is you need to turn on your bell notification. The reason for that is so that way as I do the videos every single day, you're going to get notification that they come in, okay? And that's how I am going to break the world record. So the world record is going to be broke today of 1,033 held by a guy named Larry, okay? I'm going for 1,034 or more. So here's what I'm doing. I'm giving away a course. And I'm giving a course away to the first subscriber. I'm giving a course away to somebody in the middle around that 500 area. And I'm giving a course away to the last person, which will be 1,034 as we break the world record today for the most subscribers in one day to a channel. Brand new channel, okay? The channel is Credit Game, okay? The old channel is called The Credit Game, okay? So you'll know which one it is, and it is a red. Basically, you'll see a circle, okay? So you know it's the right one. It's got a red background, and it's got me going, okay? So as the time starts right now, I will announce the winners tomorrow. Number 1, if you don't do any of those things, you're not going to win. Subscribe, like, okay? Share it with one person. Hey, if you want to put a comment and say thank you, okay, or I'm a winner, whatever you want to put, a comment would be actually even better. And then turn on your bell notification. If you do those things right there, I'm going to verify it, you're going to win a course. I hope that you're going to win a course. I'm giving you guys 3 courses. First person, somebody in the middle, and the last person who actually breaks the world record, which will be 1,034, will get a free course as well. The time starts as soon as you watch this video. I'm super excited. You'll see the link below. subscribe, like, share, say thanks in a comment, and make sure that you turn on your bell notification. Okay, there's 5 things. Really quickly, they take 10 seconds to do it. You do those, and guess what, guys? And I only want the people who want my content every day. If you're on my old channel and you don't watch the videos and don't care, I don't want you. I want the people who want to follow me, who want to learn credit, who want to scale their credit, because this channel is strictly about growing your finances and growing your credit immensely. That is why I created this channel called The Credit Game. Okay, excuse me, Credit Game, so that way you guys can learn every single day. I'm here to help you. Okay, if you have any questions at all, 904-420-7772 is our office. Follow the directions I just told you. Watch this, and let's get rock and roll. Good luck to everybody. Let's break the world record right now. Time starts now. Mike, Credit Game.